Welcome back to Gavel Grind, where the courtroom isn't just about justice, it's about drama, tension, and truth colliding head-on. Tonight's case, a driver accused of running a red light, swearing he stopped, and even offering to go to jail rather than pay the fine. He calls out the cops for quotas, argues over brake lights versus signals, and refuses to back down. But here's the kicker: the outcome flips the entire case on its head. You won't believe what actually gets this man off the hook. Stick around, because this is one courtroom battle you don't want to miss.
Tony. Good evening.
Good evening.
Child's are going through a red light on Branch and Childs, 4:39 in the afternoon. Let's take a look at it.
I know I stopped, and then why is the paper that you sent me, why does it show me stopped? Then it shows another one.
Hold on, let's take a look at it. Inspector Quinn, run it again, please. Light is yellow.
That's not me. Okay, that's...
It's red. Okay, so what do you want to tell me about this?
I also
Speak into the mic.
I spoke with one of your officers, and I asked him, I said, why does it not even show me putting my signal light on? I go through there every weekend going to work. That particular day, I was going to Walmart. I know when I put my signal light on, I know that I stopped. So he says, oh, there's right there.
Into the mic.
I'm sorry. He keeps telling me right there is showing where I put my signal light on. No, that's not my signal light. That's my brake light. So you even show, no, seriously, you got a picture here showing me stopped, and then the second picture shows me going through the light. I'm just going by what the court sent me.
If you don't speak into the mic, I can't hear you.
I'm going by what the court sent me and what I know that I did.
All right, now I'm going to go through this with you, okay? We're going to watch it together, okay?
You don't need to replay it. I already know what's going to happen, and I already know what I saw, and I know what I did. So go ahead and do what you got to do. And I know that I stopped. And like I said, this paper that the court sent me, it shows the first time that I stopped. Then the second picture shows me going through the light. That's what the court sent me.
All right.
Too bad it doesn't show the drug dealers on across the street.
Just relax. We're going to go through this together. Inspector Quinn, run it. The light is yellow. It's red. Okay, now, look at me. Did your vehicle stop? Just answer me yes or no.
In the video, no.
Okay, all right. In the photograph, the vehicle was stopped.
Yes.
This is where the drama really takes off, instead of sticking to whether he stopped or not. The defendant accuses officers of running revenue quotas. That's a gutsy move, one that judges rarely appreciate. Notice how the judge keeps telling him to relax. That's judicial shorthand for you're pushing the far. And here's where it gets interesting. While the defendant is convinced his stopping point clears him, the judge is watching something entirely different: the law itself. Question for you: if you were in his spot, would you fight the system this hard, or keep your head down and hope for mercy?
No, but I know what I did. And
Those photographs.
Just like one of your cops told me, I know about your quota. He said y'all have to make a certain quota for your revenue. I know that I stopped.
Stay right there. Just relax.
I know what this shows, and that does show that I've stopped.
Just relax.
You show that I didn't, so
Tony.
I'm assuming that you're going to fine me the $85 for the ticket plus the court cost. I don't have it. I'm going to ask you one request. Let me walk down the street, get my car, go back home, and come back so you can arrest me, because I don't have your money. I don't have family here. My son would lend me the money, but I know that I stopped, so I told him no. I'll go to jail. Never been to jail. I've worked for the courts and still work for an international security company. I'm not guilty. So may I please go get my car, and then I'll come back and turn myself in.
I want you to take a deep breath. Just relax for a minute.
Okay.
Okay. Just relax.
I'm relaxed as much as I'm going to be.
All right. And just be quiet for a minute. You are alleged to have gone through a red light. You received a copy of the summons, and there was a video. And you allege the video showed that the car was stopped. Of course, in the video. The case is going to be dismissed, but not for the reasons you think. Now, we're going to go through it together, and I'm going to see if you can tell me why the case should be dismissed, okay?
Why you decide it should be dismissed, instead of what I think why it should be. That's what you're asking me?
Just be quiet for a minute and watch the video. Lights out. Stop. All right. Is that her vehicle, Inspector
No,
Quinn?
that's not
All
my
right,
car.
all right. Let it go, Inspector Quinn, let it go. Let
That's
it go,
it.
let it go.
It is red right now, Judge?
No, let it go. All
Okay.
right, stop it. All right, stop it. Okay, now, you are making a right-hand turn, are you?
Yes.
Okay, let it go. No, what do you want to tell me about this?
Nothing other than I stopped when I was supposed to. You have to stop.
Tony,
and
listen to
then
me.
turn. You have
Listen to me.
stop first
Listen
and
to
then turn.
Don't push my buttons anymore. Right? You did not stop.
Okay.
That's an established fact. Now tell me why the case should be dismissed. All right, time is up.
I can't tell you anything else.
And here's the jaw-drop moment. The judge dismisses the case, but not because the driver stopped. In fact, the judge flat out tells him he didn't. The real reason. Rhode Island law allows a right turn on red unless a sign prohibits it. And the video evidence, no sign in sight. That single missing detail flips the whole case. This is a perfect example of how the burden of proof works if the city can't prove its case clearly. The defendant walks. Did you expect that twist? Or were you betting on a fine?
I already told you.
I'm going to tell you why, okay? You made a right-hand turn. A right-hand turn is allowed under Rhode Island law, unless there is a sign that prohibits a right-hand turn from being made. At some intersections, there are signs that say, no right-hand turn, and there are other signs that say right-hand turn after stop. There is not a sign that indicates either one of those two things here on the corner. So you made, according to the video, you made a legal right-hand turn because you are allowed under Rhode Island law to make a right-hand turn on red, so long as you can do so safely, and you did. I can't sit here and say, I think there's a sign there, I'm going to find somebody. The city has to come in and prove its case by clear and convincing evidence. So they put up a video, and it shows you making a right-hand turn, and there's no sign in the video. So, according to the evidence that was presented to me before the court today, the city can't prove its case. So the case is going to be dismissed.
Thank you.
Before you go, I want to tell you one last thing.
Okay.
You didn't stop.
Okay.
So there you have it, the case tossed out, not because of the driver's defiance, but because the law was on his side. Still, the judge made one thing clear: legal innocence doesn't always mean you did everything right. This case is a masterclass in courtroom surprises, passion versus proof, and law winning out over stubbornness. Now it's your turn. Was justice served, or did this driver simply get lucky? Drop your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Gavel Grind for more jaw-dropping courtroom showdowns.
Take me to jail.